Here is Hazel at the car wash. Hazel? Yeah, we're going to the car wash, eh? What's going on here? Alright. This may be old news for us. But for Hazel, this is a big deal. I think this might be her second, maybe third time in the car wash. She seems to be kind of interested. Hazel, better watch out. Here comes the water. Oh. It's the pre-soak. I don't know. She's seen something more interesting on the ground there. Okay. What's going on here, eh, Hazel? What do you think of this place? You don't look too impressed. Not that big of a deal, eh? Oh, this is a loud one. A little more interest out of you that time. Here it comes. Wow, eh, Hazel? That was crazy. Hazel. Oh, here it comes again. What's that stuff? Bet you want to eat that stuff. Oh, what was that? Something interesting down there on the floor, eh? Whoa! This place is crazy, eh? It's crazy! Oh, here it comes. Watch out. There you go. Big girl. Big girl. You did a good job. Okay, say bye, Hazel. Say bye. Oh, I'd love to go through the dryer and see her reaction, but it's kind of tight, so I think I have to pay attention to what I'm doing.